Let's explore sharing PDF files within school communities. There are primarily two methods: uploading directly and linking to externally hosted files. Uploading is done by dragging and dropping the PDF into a post, lesson, or resource area. Once uploaded, Skool stores the file on its cloud servers, automatically compressing it for faster loading times. This is ideal to prevent broken links and ensures the PDF is always accessible. Alternatively, you can share PDFs by linking to them in posts or comments. This method is suitable for larger files or content that is frequently updated. Ensure that the linked file is publicly accessible or has the appropriate permissions if it's hosted on platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. In the end, Skool supports previews for common formats. Understanding permissions is key to managing PDF sharing on Skool. Skool uses a tiered access system where community owners set roles like admin, moderator, or member, which determine who can upload, download, or share files. For example, you might restrict PDF uploads to verified members to prevent spam. File-specific permissions allow control over view, download, and edit rights, which can be tied to membership levels. Perhaps paid subscribers get edit access. Admins can instantly revoke access, ensuring GDPR compliance. Skool's permission granularity makes it a preferred platform for educators.